People, boys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sanghamitra, welcoming you guys with all my heart one more time. So guys, today I'm going to share with you all the interview experiences which I have had so far. So today specifically the organization whose interview experience I'm going to share with you guys is HCL. HCL, as we all know, is a multinational company. It has more than 2 lakh of employees and it's a very reputed organization. So I'm going to share you the interview experience which I've had with them. I have given an interview with HCL very recently and I was selected in the interview process. So for those of you who is not aware, I work as a QA automation engineer and I've been working in software industry for 6.5 to 7 years now. So with HCL, my interview experience was amazing because I had 3 rounds with them. The first round was a solid technical round. Because I was experienced, I didn't have any written with them. So the first round which I had was a pure technical round, and that was my first round. So since my background was Java, Selenium and tools like JMeter and things like that, so I was interviewed in that particular domain. So guys, whatever your skill set is, the questions will be asked according to your skill set. So make sure you don't fake anything in your resume. You write everything as per your experience and be very honest during interview. So the kind of questions which I was asked during first round was, I was asked to write a programming question. I was asked to convert a list to a hash map, and how do you convert a string to a hash map. A lot of programming questions were asked to me, like if I give you 2 strings, compare and tell me if they're anagram or not. So that was one of the programming question. I was also asked string related questions like string buffer, string builder. I was asked what's the difference between hash map and hash table. So a lot of collection related questions will definitely be asked if you're from Java background. So make sure you're very good. So what I did realize is you need to know a DSL, data structure algorithm, collections, and the basic concepts of Java is something which is really important for any QA automation engineer to crack the very first round of HCL. So it will be purely technical, nothing related to sprint, related to day-to-day testing activities or test artifacts, nothing like that will be asked. So it will be purely technical, mostly Java. And if you into Selenium, you'll be asked Selenium related questions. Like I was asked things like how do you handle multiple windows, and what are the type of exceptions you work with, what is the difference between throw and throws. That again comes in Java, but not much of Selenium. It was more of Java. So they will definitely check your programming knowledge, guys. So make sure you're good at that. So that was pretty much the first round. So from the time I got a call from the interviewer that if I was interested or not, in the first week I had my technical round 1, and after that it was very fast. The second round was just in the next week. In between I had nothing. And HCL have their own HCL assessment platform wherein you have to log in and you need to join for the second round. So wherein a senior level manager or somebody, a director, somebody very senior comes and they try to interview you. So for me, the second round was also technical because I was asked a lot of Java questions. I was asked a lot of scenario based questions. I was asked how do you handle different exceptions. So even though it was manager round, I was asked like core Java questions, like how do you handle when there is an error that occurs. How do you handle scenarios where you have to have a parallel execution, where you have to have cross-browser executions in Selenium. So those were the questions that were asked. How do you run multiple test cases? If you have 100 test cases, how do you parameterize it? How do you make sure that you're handling synchronization well. If you're in a situation wherein you have to deliver and test 100 test cases and you do not have that time, how do you deal with that and things like that. So there was kind of half an hour. So both the rounds were, so first technical round was around 45 minutes, the second round was for half an hour. So post which I was told in the same week that I'm kind of selected for the third and the final round, which was the HR round. So the salary negotiation was not hard for sure, because they just asked me what was my expectation, and whatever I said to them, they actually gave me a bit more than that. So I was not aware of the fixed and variable component. So whatever I asked them, the number, I asked them like, you can give me fixed and variable X amount, but they actually made that X amount as fixed, and they gave me additional variable pay also. So the process was very quick, and after I agreed to the number, like me and HR, so I was asked questions like, why Chennai, because I was looking for something in Chennai. So I was asked how comfortable I am with switching, if the role demands moving to a different location, whether I was okay doing that. And overall experience I've been having, any counter offers I've been having. So those were specifically the HR round questions that was asked to me. Post which, after we both agreed, so I didn't have to negotiate at all. They were very nice, and they actually gave me an offer which was definitely more than what I expected. So after that, the final offer was released, and there is a lot of documentations which you might have to fill, guys. So they have an online portal where you have to attach all the documents, and that was pretty much the interview process with HCL. So anybody who is trying for HCL, I think the kind of questions or the level of questions asked is not too tough, but one has to definitely be good at what you write in your resume, and the skill sets which you portray, you should be definitely good at that. So otherwise, I think very professional, very on point, and they did everything on time. So the overall experience was definitely amazing, interviewing with HCL. So that's pretty much I had for today, guys. I thought I'll share my interview experience with HCL with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.